landed closer to the lunar south pole area of the moon on August 23. Somnath Sir stands as the most influential figure in the Indian space domain, leading the nation's most ambitious space machine. He has the remarkable journey of life. From growing up in home without electricity to leading the ISRO, Sri Somnath Sir has come a long way. His journey has done
to give back to the society. In whatever manner you can afford. I am sure the teaching and orientation of the students at Jagruti by Patil Vidyapeeth are fully in tune with these requirements. But today we also need